Venice dream come true. Who said that? Huh?
Is now connecting Italy to Venice. So in front of us, if you look out from the
Hi
window,
everyone, welcome to my Venice vlog. So sa gustong malaman ang history ng Venice, makinig lang sa aming tour guide because this is a guided bus tour.
And there's a very marshy terrain here, and so people started building houses on these islands. And the way they built it, they used red pine wood, about 8 to 15, 16 meters tall, and then they drilled it through the mud, because underneath the mud there is a solid rock bed. So basically the wooden pile is holding the houses, and basically the houses are standing on a rock bed, and so they only needed to use the wooden pipes to drill through the mud. And the island of Venice was built on multiple million red pine wood, and actually most of them were brought here from Croatia. And in Croatia there are many areas and forests that don't exist anymore, because the Venetian Empire, they brought all the wood. So environmental damage was also prone 1,000 years ago, or 1,600 years ago. So it's not a new phenomenon. And basically it was brought here from the Dinar mountain range, which is the mountain range in Croatia. And as I said, part of Croatia also belonged to Venice Island, I mean the Venetian Republic. So as you can see, the trains are connecting now the city of Venice, and there is also a train connection to Florence and Rome. The train is actually much faster than the bus. So here, if you look out on the right hand side, you can see the marshy terrain. So this is too soft for stone buildings, so they needed to come up with a technique to be able to build permanent islands. And actually our bus parking island is also an artificial island. It was built in the modern ages. It's called Tronchetto Island, and this is only for tourism. So if somebody really needs a toilet, we can go to a public toilet. It costs €1, and it's near the boat pier.
So mostly po sa mga washrooms dito sa Europe ay may bayad. So nag-range lang po yung bayad sa pagto-toilet ng €1 to €150. So wala pa akong na-toiletan na below €1. So kaya magti-take opportunity ka talaga pag may free toilet. Meron naman ding libre yung mga stopovers namin, at saka kung halimbawa kakain kami sa restaurants, yon libre yon sa pagwa-washroom. But mostly talaga may bayad.
It's pretty difficult, and basically you can only go toilet after the gondola ride. So if you really need one, please be fast. It costs you €1, but it saves you a lot of headache.
So ayan guys, papunta na kami ng water bus port para magko-cross to San Marco Island. It's also a water bus guided tour. So may magsasalita na English speaking and Chinese speaking tour guide.
意大利著名的天文学家伽利略上面呢试验成功，第一美天文望远镜，所以这钟楼的属建筑。钟楼的底下方呢就是我们的那so the price are higher. So from now on, we are going to historic center. More and more getting the center the most beautiful place. And for English version, we are going to
So, ayan guys, pupunta ka na kami sa Piazzo ng San Marco. So, aside from our bus tour guide, meron din silang hinahire ang company ng local tour guide, yung knowledgeable talaga sa place. Andito na kami sa best part, ang gondola ride. Ito yung nilook forward ko sa travel dito sa Venice. The Queen and the King of Hearts.
Careful with my wish for.
My gosh. Grabe na to guys. It's real na talaga. We're here. Walain mo yon. Restaurante. Hala. Gusto kong tulungan magbugsay. What are we gonna sing? Titanic. Okay, sing. Sira. So, ayan guys, akala nyo ang traffic by land lang. Hindi. Na-traffic din kami dyan. Kasi, dahil nga, ang ano nila, transportation is by bangka talaga, di ba? Kasi nga, puro kanal-kanal dyan, puro tubig. So, by bangka yung mga delivery ng mga goods nila. So, ayan, pero believe ako kasi ang liit lang ng space, pero grabe yung mga sagwan magmaneuver ng kanilang mga bangka.
Ang galing nila, no? Mag-ano?
As in, nakakatuwa lang.
Binabangka. Picture sana kami, kaya lang bawal magkayo. Oh, yun pala yung song? Yeah. Ramo Primo. Bakit? Hindi ba naman yan yung group natin? Ibang ano sila, ibang bridge. Nag-start, dyan sila nag-start.
So, ang official tariff ng 30-minute ride ng gondola is 80 euro. And then, mag-i-increase na siya from 7 p.m. onwards. Mga around, mag-range siya ng 100 euro.
Wow, ang dami. Ang galing nila. Paano nila ito? It's their taxi.
Welcome to Piazza San Marco with our local tour guide. Ang ganda dito, as in. Super daming tao, kaya ang hirap magkuha ng video. Ayan yung tour guide namin. Marcos Square. So, ayan guys, kung gusto nyo mag-shopping sa mga high-end brands, pwede ditong magbili. Gusto nga sana namin bumili, kaya lang wala naman kaming pera, kaya tingin-tingin na lang kami. Dito yung mga high-end na brands. So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami. So, enjoy the view kasi ang ganda. Super ganda ng view dito. So, ang masasabi ko lang, worth it na worth it yung lahat ng gagastusin nyo sa Europe travel. Grabe, sagana dito sa history. Ang yaman nila sa history. Ang architecture nila, lahat ng mga buildings na makikita mo, talagang mapapanganga ka. And fashion, yung culture, yung napipreserve nila yung ganyang mga itsura. Super ganda. So, sa lahat ng natravelan ko, ito yung pinaka the best, ang Europe travel. By the way, binook namin to online. I don't know kung pwede kong sabihin kung ano yung website. Basta online namin tong binook. If you have questions, mag-comment ka lang. And make sure na i-ask mo yung gusto mong malaman about the tour. And inclusive na yung tour and your tour guide, hotels, breakfast every day. Mag-alat ka lang ng extra money for the tips kasi merong bayad. I mean, magbabayad ka ng tips every day sa travel nyo. So, all those in euro yan. In euros. So, bahala na kayo magkwenta kasi this tour, yung sa tour namin, 7 days tour to eh. So, 5 countries and 10 cities to. So, nag-umpisa kami ng France, then with Switzerland, then nag-Italy kami, then Monaco. Nakalimutan ko yung isa, dementia. So, ayan guys, sulit na sulit, ang masasabi ko lang, sulit na sulit yung magagastos nyo dito sa travel. Kasi, yung sa travel na to, mostly, ang cities na kinuha namin sa Italy. So, next time, hopefully makakabalik kami next year, if God willing, na sana ma-explore naman namin ang Switzerland. Kasi that time, hindi namin na-explore ang Switzerland. May isang city lang kami na dinaanan and then that's it. So, ayun guys. Thank you for watching my videos and sana panoorin nyo kasi maganda naman talaga ang views. And see you next time in my next video. Bye guys. Nga pala, mayroong mga group lunch, pero optional yon, nasa sa inyo na yon kung sasali kayo, kung magkanya-kanya na lang kayo. Pero advice ko guys, sa mga ganon, mag-join kayo. Kasi it's a once in a lifetime experience. Lalo na dito sa Venice. Kasi magla-lunch kayo together. So, dapat salihan nyo. And especially dun sa gondola ride. Kasi talagang yan ang pinaka-highlight ng Venice, yung gondola. Thank you again!